everyone, and welcome back to Veggie Time at Home with Miss Hannah. We've been learning a lot of recipes here, and in those recipes I always tell you what amount of each ingredient to put in. This is important because we want our food to taste good, so we need to use the right amount of each ingredient. In my opinion, there's no better way to practice measuring than to make a salad dressing. So today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorites, a lemon tahini dressing. Let's get started. The ingredients that we're going to need for our dressing are pretty simple. It's tahini, which you can get at most supermarkets, 1 lemon, some maple syrup or honey depending on what you like, garlic, and salt and pepper. So to start, I'm just going to cut my lemon in half and then squeeze all of the juices into a bowl. If there are any seeds in there, you can just use a spoon to pick them out. Next, I'm going to mince 1 clove of garlic, which I taught you how to do in an earlier video. So to start our dressing, I'm going to mix a 1/3 cup of the tahini I just put in this measuring cup. I'm going to put that into a bowl. I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of that lemon juice that we squeezed earlier. It should be about the juice of 1 lemon. Sometimes lemons are a little bigger or smaller. Mine was a little bigger, so I had some lemon juice left over. 3 tablespoons of that, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of maple syrup. Just like that. I'm also just going to go ahead and add our 1 clove of garlic that we minced. Throw that right in, as well as a pinch of salt and a little bit of ground pepper. So now I'm going to start whisking this together with a fork, and as it comes together, I'm going to start to add a couple tablespoons of water just to help everything get combined. As you can see, our dressing is pretty liquid now. It just runs off the fork thanks to the water. So now you can season to taste, which is something I talked about in an earlier video, and adjust everything to your liking. All right, so our salad dressing is done and it smells delicious. I can't wait to eat this over a nice salad. I also put it on roasted vegetables. It's just great on everything. Thanks so much for watching Veggie Time at Home this week. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a little bit more about how to measure things. I'll see you soon. Bye.